Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are someone that feels like you need a soundtrack to fit your life, then you should definitely check out these speakers by MusiBaby. These speakers have such amazing sound quality. I was so impressed by it. I love that they are portable. They even have a wrist strap to make it so that you can hang them. So whether you're out mowing, you're cleaning the house, or you're just trying to relax and you want some tunes going, then these have got you covered. You can bring them with you anywhere. Besides the amazing sound quality, what I think is so cool about these speakers is that you can pair them with other MusiBaby speakers. So I did happen to buy two of them because I definitely had to try it out. And all you need to do is turn them on before you pair them with your phone, and you click the volume down button twice and they'll pair with each other, and then you set it up with your phone to pair with one of them. So that way you can have nice surround sound, making for the perfect backyard patio party. So if you're ready to get your patio jumping this summer, or you just want to make sure you have music with you all the time, then these speakers by MusiBaby are the way to go. And that's my point of view.